on here on this track.
Yeah, just switch it. Oh!
Bullet train messed up it. The bridge. Look, bullet train messed up the bridge.
Yeah, I saw. Uh-oh.
Welcome to Ryan ToysReview.
Hey, Ryan!
Hi.
What do you have there?
I have Thomas and friends.
That's awesome. Mad dashed on Sodor set.
Thomas is included.
Hey there, Thomas.
Unboxing time.
You got it? Whoa. Oh.
It comes with so many things. And
Yeah.
look at Cranky.
Cranky? Hi
Here's what the playset looks like put together.
there. Nice. This is a huge playset. Hi, Cranky.
This is to go forward, and this is to go backward. This is to press forward. It even comes with 4 folders. The engine.
Hey, Thomas. Going backward, forward. Whee!
Oliver's trying to get up.
Can he?
I don't know.
The heel looks too steep.
He's stuck.
I can go down.
Let's see what happens if he goes all the way down and try to get up. He's stuck. On here on this track.
Yeah, just switch it. Oh! Oh, can you go backward? I don't know, it looks pretty steep.
I can help him. The cargo, yes!
Ooh.
Didn't even get it.
Stuck.
Wait. Going another way.
Whee. Yeah?
Oh, we need some more help. No, stop, 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 stop. Stop, Thomas. Stop. Stop. There.
Ooh, are you putting more trains on the track?
It's fast now. Bullet train. Bullet train is so. Bullet train is accident. Diesel likes to put trains down.
Yeah.
Diesel's trying to catch up.
Oh.
But these 3 are gonna catch up with Diesel. Hey, Percy. Oh,
Oh, they all got stuck.
I think we'll see the
Oh.
Gordan too.
Ryan. Oh.
I'll do it. Now, fast, fast. The bridge.
Yeah. Oh, we don't need it, but it's fine. Oh!
You keep getting behind me. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, cool.
Uh-oh.
No! Crash. Gordan, look where he's going.
Oh no. Coming the
It's
bullet
on
train?
fast speed.
Oh, super fast. Oh no.
Down.
Uh-oh.
What's going to happen now is wiggle.
Oh no, where are you going, Thomas?
I'll get him. Don't worry. Where did he go?
Oh. They're all next to each other. Uh-oh.
I think so.
Uh-oh. Thomas.
Thomas, Diesel! Thomas wants to go backwards.
Ooh. Go forward. Go backward. Whee. Forward again. Now stop. Red for stop. Ooh. Whee. Go Cranky. Ooh. Whee. Go Percy.
One's gonna go the same.
Oh no.
Who is the strongest?
I don't know who.
It's gonna be slow.
Oh.
How did he go super fast? Off the bridge. Off the bridge.
Oh.
They're all three together.
Oh. Who's gonna win?
Bye, don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye. If you want more Thomas and Friends by Ryan, please subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Oh.
Let's let them go to the exit.
Next one. Ooh.